The Commission is the governing body of the American Mafia, formed in 1931 by Charles "Lucky" Luciano following the Castellammarese War. The Commission replaced the capo di tutti capi title, held by Salvatore Maranzano before his murder, with a ruling committee that consists of the bosses of the 5 families of New York City, as well as the bosses of the Chicago outfit and the Buffalo crime family. The purpose of the commission was to oversee all mafia activities in the United States and serve to mediate conflicts between families. Throughout the history of the commission, the body has been involved in several incidents, including the Appalachian meeting in 1957, a plot to kill several members of the commission in 1963, and the Mafia Commission trial in 1985. Pre-1931, capo dei capi was a term applied by mobsters to Giuseppe Morello around 1900, according to Nick Gentile. Bosses Joe Masseria and Salvatore Maranzano used the title as part of their efforts to centralize control of the mafia under themselves. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.